Can you use YouTube TV on a non-smart TV? Yes. And here's how step by step. Step 1. Choose a streaming device. Pick up a device compatible with YouTube TV. Your options include Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, Android TV boxes, PlayStation, and Xbox. For the best performance, Apple TV is the fastest for loading channels, and if you're on a budget, the Roku Ultra LT is your next best bet. Step 2. Connect the device to your TV. Plug the streaming device into an available HDMI port on your TV and connect it to power if needed. Step 3. Set up the device. Turn on your TV, switch to the correct HDMI input, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Download the YouTube TV app. Open the App Store on your device, search for YouTube TV, and install it. Step 5. Sign in. Open the app and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, subscribe first at tv.youtube.com. Step 6. Start streaming. YouTube TV gives you hundreds of live channels with unlimited cloud DVR storage. Want sharper picture quality? There's also a 4K add-on available for an extra $9.99 per month. Quick reminder, Nintendo and ON. Devices are currently not supported by YouTube TV. Make sure to pick one of the compatible devices listed in Step 1. Also note that older device models within each brand may not meet the technical requirements for the app.